How to sing trill. Trill!
Doo-ga-doo-ah.
Hi folks, I'm Voba. I'm a singer and a vocal trainer, and this is my channel about anatomical vocal training. Now, I did a video about vibrato, how to sing vibrato. There. And now I'm going to do a video about trill, how to trill. Now, trill is oscillating between two notes. Vibrato is just within one note, and trill is kind of like between two notes. So the oscillation is greater. And trill, usually I do it with the neck, with the thyroid cartilage. And vibrato is done with the rib cage and the diaphragm, their interactions. Now, what helps very, very much is to play around. Trill is something that is funny. It's fun, right? Let me first of all tell you though why to do it. Obviously, classical singers, they really need it. It's really, really nice to have a nice, not just, but in the voice sometimes. If you know they need it for a certain, it's like written in the sheet music actually when to do trill and when to do vibrato. Vibrato not necessarily, but trill definitely. Most composers write it literally into the sheet music. But trill helps make the voice super flexible. It's really, really nice. And you basically oscillate between these two tones, right? Now, the thing is, it also helps you with like runs. Right? That it sounds like different steps, like a staircase rather than a slide. It's easier. Of course, you can also go. Is also, possible, but the trill makes it much, much easier for the voice to be relaxed enough. Right? The last few there, the trill was really coming in, and then it has a different feeling. Obviously, I sometimes use trill, sometimes I don't, but it's really helpful to make the voice agile. Not fragile, agile. Movable, flexible. Now, to learn it, you make fun of it. Literally, you think of a goat, for instance. No, is it a goat? Goofy, goofy, goofy. Like this kind of sound. And now I'm opening and closing tongue and palate to feel how my thyroid cartilage is moving. And you just play around with it. You hear I'm oscillating between two notes, right? No, this is like a third or something. It doesn't matter the notes, right? It matters for starters that you learn the flexibility of the thyroid cartilage. Right? The giggly, 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 giggly. This is what you want to experience, and you experience it through fun. Is really helpful. And then when you can go like this easily, then you go really make fun of it, right? And you might need to sit a bit and like just try it out. And I promise it's gonna be so much fun. And then what I did is I listened to Montserrat Caballé, the classical singer, and she has this really, really nicely when she goes like, for instance, a run down. So when she goes, then it goes really, really nicely. And then I just imitated. and you don't have to go high, right? You can go, oh, but high is easier for me. I learned it high. Maybe high it's easier in general. I don't know, but for my body, it definitely is. But basically, it's just around playing and not around trying for perfection, but trying the most loose thyroid cartilage, the most fun you can have. And then when you do this over a few weeks, it's gonna be very, very easy. It's gonna be, you know, very easy to go. And it really, really warms up your voice very, very nicely. I do this often with the anti-diva exercise, which I show in this video, to warm up my voice, because the movement, you know, just helps getting the blood flowing, the blood flowing. And it also gives this amazing agility to the voice. So Trill is really, really nice. Also to check the high notes, if you can do a trill with high notes. You know, then it's clear that it's a relaxed high note. It's not like a crampy high note. It's very relaxed, you know. And so, yeah, those are the perks of Trill and how to start learning it. And it's basically just, you know, playing around and having fun with it. So, if the content helps you, please subscribe to my channel and leave me a like and a comment below. Comment also if it doesn't help you, then I can do better next time. And I hope to see you more often. Don't go yet, here's some important information. If this is all a bit out of context for you and you don't know quite how to put all of this together, I have created a playlist of the full anatomical vocal training, so that you understand from beginning to end, you know, where it starts, why this muscle, why that muscle, because some of the videos that I'm doing out of context, they might be like, why are you doing this, right? So if you go to my channel, you will go to the playlists and then you will find the full anatomy playlist right there, and it has everything from start to beginning, why to stretch what muscle groups, how to stretch them, why to begin there, what to do. So it's kind of like a chronological order so that you can really have a full understanding of the whole thing that I'm teaching here. So check it out. I see you over there.